I'm going to discuss about missing number in array. So what is the problem speak about? Let's understand which dry run. We will be given one n, which will be the size of one array. Let's take 5 and let's take this example. Although n is 5, but actual array size will be n minus 1. So 1, 2, 3, 5. Now we have to find the missing number, and the number will be from 1 to n. So the number can be 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 5, and there will be one missing number. So we have to find that number. Let's try run how I'm going to do this. Here you can clearly see that 4 is missing in this number. So it is our answer, and we have to return this 4. Now how to do this? One brute force approach may be using an array of size n. Let's take an array of size n. Everyone will be marked as 0. Then we will traverse through this given array. When traversing through this array, we will go to that index minus 1 index in this array. Let's take this as p. So we will go to the p array of 1 this index minus 1. It means 0. So we will mark it as true. Then go to this, and the value of this a1 is 2. Go to 2 minus 1, that means 1 index, and mark it true. Now go to this tree, and here in 2, because 3 minus 1 2, mark this as 2. Now go to this index, which will be 4 index, and mark true. So finally we have completed the traversing of a array. Now go to this p array, and now traverse to this array and check if any one element is having 0 in value. So that element index plus 1 is the missing element. So let's traverse. So in this 0 index it is true, 1 index it is true, 2 index true, 3 index is false. That means 3 plus 1 element is missing in this array. So our answer will be 4. Hope you have understood the concept. But this is brute force approach, so the time complexity is still n. Space complexity will be big of n. But as per the question, there is one optimized approach which will reduce the big of extra space. So you can see this. So we have to do this with a bit manipulation trick, which is optimized. So how to approach this? Let's see. Hope we have no XOR operation, how it is performed. If you don't know, please check this. What is XOR? XOR is when similar bit is there, so it become and it is the symbol of XOR. So it becomes 0. This means 0 XOR 0 is 0. 1 XOR 1 is 0. But when the bit is dissimilar, then it becomes 1. So 0 XOR 1 or 1 XOR 0 is 1. And remember one thing, same number XOR is always 0. 1 XOR 1, 1. 5 XOR 5, always 5. When numbers are present in even times, so they become always 0. That's why 5 XOR 5 is 2 times present, so it become 0. Using this concept, we have to solve this problem. Let's do this example. Let's take 1, 2, 3, 4. And what will be the missing number? How to approach? First of all, we have to take one answer variable. But the answer value should be the size of the array, which is given n size. You will understand after doing this dry run, which will run from I is equal 0 to I less than n, and then I plus plus. Now in this loop, we will XOR a with I and the array element array of index I. Now let's try run this. When does this a is equal currently 5, so 5 XOR 1, 5 XOR I is equal currently 0. No, this should be I plus 1. This have to be I plus 1 because the value is from 1 to n. So 5 XOR 1 XOR the value of current array index given, which is from this 1. So then in the second iteration it will be stored in A. So similar in even number will be always 0. So A will still hold 5. Then I is 1. So it will XOR with 2. And I is incremented with 1. So it will become next time 2. And with XOR 2, this will also be cancelled. It will still hold 5. Then the index will be 2. And the array element will be 3. So it's 3 XOR 3. And now it will become 3 XOR 3 and it will also be cancelled. Still I will hold 5. Then it will the I will be 4. No, I will be 3, but we will take as I plus 1, so it become 4. And the array element is still 4. So it will be cancelled. And we'll have the A is equal, answer is equal 5. So the traversal of array is complete. Now we have the answer. So since the array is n minus 1 size, so we need to take the extreme value at first. Otherwise it will become problematic. That's why we have already taken A is equal the n value. Hope you have understood the concept. Now let's go to coding and do this. Int answer is equal n. Then for int I is equal 0, I less than n, I plus plus. Now answer is equal answer XOR I plus 1 XOR array of I. At the end, return this answer. Let's compile and run. Sorry, I have made a mistake here by running the array loop up to n, but the array is already the size of n minus 1, so it have to be run up to n minus 1. That's why I'm getting the incorrect output. Let's correct this. Let's run now. So we have got the correct output. Let's submit this problem. Hope you have understood the approach correctly. So give me the feedback for improving in the future video and subscribe if you like my video. Thank you.